scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Temperature problems get easy fast when you treat the rate like accumulated change. So watch this and find the rod's temperature at 10 minutes cleanly. To find the temperature at 10 minutes, start with 75 degrees, then add the increase by integrating 47e to the negative 0.2 t from 0 to 10. Evaluate the integral using the antiderivative negative 235e to the negative 0.2 t, then plug in 10 and 0 to get 203.2. Finally, add the starting temperature. So T of 10 equals 75 plus 203.2, about 278 degrees. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, sign mistakes, and rushing. Rule, trust the given rate and check each step before choosing.